Wondering where the pakka Japanese brands are with the electric vehicles? Well, we were too. With Suzuki delaying the electric project until 2024 and Honda probably coming in next year, we have got news on something called the Yamaha Nios. And when we say Nios, that's not a plural. That's exactly what it's called, with an apostrophe S. What does it look like? Well, okay, not exactly like this, and we'll get to that later. But here's our free advice to Yamaha for its first electric offering for India. The Nios first showed up in Europe as an alternative to the 50cc scooter segment, which is why it looks the way it does. But that's a segment that doesn't exist in India anymore. And what's the Nios packing? Well, take a look. 40 kilometers an hour. Well, that's lower than the TVS XL 100. Okay, we may be judging the Nios a bit too soon. Perhaps it packs a big battery or offers a respectable range? Ouch, that's clearly not gonna get most people through their everyday commutes. Okay, the Nios' short list of features suggests that it may be an EV that's easy on the pockets. After all, budget e-scooters have been raking in good sales numbers. Well, the Nios retails for an exorbitant price tag of 2.98 lakh rupees. That's steep for what it has to offer, especially considering what else you can buy for that kind of money. Clearly, the Euro spec Yamaha Nios is way out of its depth in the Indian market. And at that price tag, Yamaha will be lucky to sell even a single unit. We have seen it in the past with the products like the Kawasaki Ninja 400 and Yamaha's very own R3. That no matter how good the product is, it has to be priced right. What Yamaha will need to do then is bring out a contender to the likes of the Ather 450X or even the Bajaj Chetak or the TVS iQube with at least 70 kilometers of range and comparable performance. Currently, the Nios comes out as a Thanda product and Yamaha India will definitely need to add some masala to it to make it more spicy. Keep the quirky styling, but we would appreciate upgraded internals to cater to the Indian Janta. While it might not beat the Ola or Ather in terms of features, the price has to be competitive if not aggressive, somewhere around rupees 1.5 lakh tops. Our advice will be, take your time like Suzuki to develop an EV that's built for India at a reasonable cost and more importantly, built for the Indian consumers. So that's our take on the Yamaha Nios. What do you guys think about Yamaha's first electric scooter for India? Will it set the market on fire? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.